Who doesn't love free stuff? I am going to give it an honest review no matter what. If it's good, I'm going to tell you. If it's bad, I'm going to tell you. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and this is my channel. We talk about makeup, skincare, sometimes I unbox things, and I almost always drop something. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure you stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing, and I am so excited for this. I'm going to give you a little bit of background about Influenster before I get started. So Influenster is a review program. You sign up for free and you do reviews, and sometimes they send you things. It's hit and miss. I don't always get sent things, but lately I seem to be on a roll. So this is actually an unboxing of free products, and I cannot wait to share these with you because this is the best box I've ever gotten from Influenster. I do have my all of the information is linked in the description. Please go follow me there. The more followers you have, the more it increases your chances of being sent something. So with that being said, I am so excited to dive into this unboxing. This is the Melon Plus Goets. I hope, I'm so sorry if I said that wrong. This is the box from Influencer, so there's more than one product in here. They do sell this brand at Sephora. I was sent this for a review, so I do have to review these products on the Sephora website. However, I can tell you that I am going to give it an honest review no matter what. If it's good, I'm going to tell you. If it's bad, I'm going to tell you. So we're going to dive right into this. So I am super excited for this because it comes with 5 full-size products. Now, I have never received a box from Influencer that had this many products. Usually it's just one. For example, last month I was sent a body wash from Soft Soap. It was just the one product. The month before that, I was sent a shampoo from Head & Shoulders. It was just the one product. I think prior to that, I did receive a makeup item from Marc Jacobs. That was a mascara. It was just one product. This one, however, seems to be a full product, so I'm super excited. Yay! I love freebies, if you didn't know that, and who doesn't love free stuff? It's just like seriously my favorite. First thing I'm going to talk about is this grapefruit face cleanser. So this is 8 fluid ounces, and it comes packaged just like that. This was, because it's been so cold, this was opened a little bit, and it leaked a little, but not a lot. I was able to clean it up really easily. This brand is cruelty free, so that is also very desirable, and it comes like that. I can't remember. It smells like a very subtle grapefruit. I do love grapefruit products, so I am so happy to try this. The instructions say this is the essential cleanser for every day, for everyone. Gently foaming and formulated for everyday use, invigorating grapefruit extract and amino acid cleansing agents deeply cleanse and gently tone. I am super excited to try this.
This is so exciting.
The next product is a face moisturizer. So this is the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. That's it right there. I'm going to open it up because I'm going to smell it because I'm going to be reviewing all of these products very soon. Let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do a dedicated review on what I think of these products. Oh, that smells really nice. It's not a strong scent. I also like how basic this packaging is. That makes me happy. I just like it. It's great. So this is 4 fluid ounces. I'm so excited for this. I do believe that this brand is a natural based brand. Sorry if I'm wrong. But this is the Bergamot deodorant, and I am so excited. I do need to double check that this is aluminum free. Okay, so our deodorant is formulated with natural bergamot and odor neutralizing enzymes to offer long-lasting protection. I don't think it has aluminum. I do need to look into that. So I do tend to use aluminum-free deodorants. The Schmidt's ones are my favorite. Oh, that smells so good. I really like the packaging as well. It's very nice. I will try it. It's just that I have to be careful because of my PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Sometimes using conventional deodorants tends to mess me right up. This is so exciting. This is a full-size detox face mask. so happy. If you know anything about me, you know that I love skincare and I love doing mask reviews. I will make sure I do a dedicated mask review for this for sure. Oh, I like this packaging a lot. Let's see what it says. Our oxygenating gel mask deeply purifies and locks moisture, stabilizes vitamin C, visibly firms and brightens. Skin looks and feels instantly clear and hydrated. Apply a thick layer and leave on for 5 minutes. Remove with water or damp washcloth. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Excellent. We're just going to put a little bit on my hand. I just want to see what the consistency is like. Oh, there's a lock feature here on this. That's awesome. So I've unlocked it. Is it gonna work? Why is this not working? What is happening? So that's the product in there. I will try and see if I can get this to work. Sometimes it just doesn't work. I'll just have to keep you posted. We'll do a full review on this. And last but definitely not least is a perfume. A full-size friggin' perfume. That's awesome. I'm gonna open it up. Okay. All right. So this is it right here. It comes packaged like this. That's amazing. Fuck off, Amanda. Idiot. I almost just broke this. I am so sorry. Be really careful. This packaging is very sturdy. This is the dark rum perfume. So let's just give this a little. Oh, that smells pretty. That smells really friggin' nice. Yeah. I'm really excited to put this to the test. So thank you, Influenster, for choosing me. Let me know in the comments below, have you ever tried any of these products, and have you ever heard of this brand? And are you a member of Influencer? If you are, please go and join me and follow me. I will follow you back, and all the information is linked in the description box below. Let me know if you'd like to see a full review on any of these products. I am a little disappointed that this is not getting any product out yet. Even though I'm sitting here doing this. No, it's not working. Why isn't this working? So thank you all so much for hanging out with me. Please let me know what you thought of today's video. And do you enjoy freebie unboxings? And how are you doing? I absolutely love hanging out with all you guys. And I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Not bad, not bad. My hand's getting tired. This is kind of... That's not good.